In this video, you will learn how to use data logging on your PRC communication device. This feature on your device will record the date and time of every word or phrase spoken. It will also record whether the word or phrase was generated on a page, an activity row, or in core. Please remember that this data represents personal communication and respect privacy accordingly. Here is an example of a data log. You see a privacy message and device information. Below that is the date, then the time the data log was turned on, followed by the first word that was spoken. You see the time, where the word was stored in the device, and then the word which was spoken. In this example, at 4:07 and 10 seconds p.m., the word hi was spoken. The ACT or ACT tells you that the word was located in the activity row or in the top row of the vocabulary. So now that you know what a data log looks like, let's learn how to create one. First, you will learn how to turn logging on in order to collect data. Then you will learn how to save the information on a flash drive. Finally, you will learn how to turn data logging off. To turn data logging on, enter the toolbox. Then select Review Vocab menu. It is a yellow key in the third row. Look to the right to find data logging. Now select On under data logging. You will notice a green L or this red symbol in the status bar. This indicates that data logging is on. From this menu, you can also see how many bytes of data are collected. In this example, I can tell I am starting with a blank slate because there are 0 bytes of data collected. If you see a number here other than 0, that means you've already collected some data. You can either keep it and add to it, or clear it out if you are not interested in looking at it. That is up to you. The device is now set to collect data. Select OK, and then go to Home. Now, when I say something, it will be recorded. Now that I have a small sample, let's save it. Head back to the toolbox and then Review Vocab menu. I can see I have collected 443 bytes of data with that sentence. To save it, plug a USB flash drive into a USB port on either the side or the back of the device. Then select Save Data Log to File. Make sure the destination is set to the D drive. If not, select Choose Different Folder and navigate to that drive. My device is set to save to My Documents, so I need to choose a different folder and then my D drive. Type a name for your file. In this example, I'm going to type the client's initials, then data log, and the date. You can only use the dash when typing the date for a file name. Then select OK. A yellow box will appear when the file is saved. Select OK again. At this point, you can keep the data logging on or turn it off. You can clear out the data log or keep adding to it. Select OK, and then go to Home. To view the data log, unplug the flash drive from the device and plug it into a computer. Navigate to the file on the flash drive and open it. Here's what our data log file looks like. I can see I said the word now at 4:07 and 20 seconds and found it in the activity row. I can see I began to spell the word recorded at 4:07 and 44 seconds and found those letters on the spell page. The WPR indicates I've finished spelling the word using word prediction. Thank you for learning how to use data logging on your PRC communication device.